Hello and welcome to this session on LO2, Understanding Influences on Motivation and Performance in the Health and Social Care Sector. In this video, we'll explore what truly drives motivation and performance in health and social care, and how key motivational theories can be applied to improve outcomes in healthcare settings. Healthcare practitioners are vital professionals in medical care. They diagnose, treat, and prevent illnesses. Their roles extend to ongoing patient support. Practitioners include nurses, doctors, and therapists. They work in diverse settings to ensure community well-being. Motivational theories are crucial for healthcare performance. Taylor's theory focuses on productivity incentives. Mayo emphasizes social recognition and belonging. Maslow's hierarchy prioritizes basic needs before self-actualization. Herzberg highlights motivators and dissatisfiers. McGregor's theory Y suggests intrinsic motivation. McClelland identifies achievement, affiliation, and power needs. Vroom's expectancy theory links performance to outcomes. Ouchi's theory Z focuses on cultural fit. Combining these theories enhances healthcare performance. Rewards and recognition are key motivators. Meaningful work enhances engagement. Organizational culture shapes employee motivation. Empowerment through autonomy is vital. Development opportunities drive high performance. Leadership style impacts motivation. Transformational leaders inspire better performance. Work conditions like workload and resources matter. Feedback mechanisms improve competence. Goal setting aligns motivation with objectives. Performance management aligns with organizational goals. It fosters accountability through clear metrics. Development is enhanced by identifying performance gaps. Regular feedback boosts employee motivation. Retention is supported by promotion opportunities. Performance management improves patient care. Monitoring ensures adherence to protocols. Data-driven improvement identifies systemic issues. A performance-focused culture fosters excellence. This leads to cost-effective healthcare delivery. Role modeling values supports culture. Empowering teams enhances engagement. Empathy creates an inclusive environment. Innovation is encouraged through open ideas. Partnerships build alignment and trust. Celebrating shared success reinforces team identity. Diversity is embraced by assessing talent fairly. Upholding ethics displays moral leadership. Transparency grows trust and shared purpose. These practices foster a collegial organization. Leadership plays a pivotal role in motivation. Transformational leaders inspire and serve as role models. They create a culture of excellence and achievement. Leadership style influences work conditions and feedback. Effective leaders foster motivation and performance. Feedback mechanisms are crucial for performance. Constructive feedback improves skills and outcomes. Goal setting aligns individual and organizational objectives. Achievable goals boost motivation and focus. These elements are vital in healthcare settings. Development opportunities support career growth. Training and mentorship fulfill self-actualization needs. Promotion prospects motivate high performance. Leaders should support continuous learning. This enhances motivation and engagement. Organizational culture influences motivation. A culture of excellence and inclusion is motivating. Leaders must model desired cultural values. Empowerment and open communication are crucial. A strong culture drives performance and satisfaction. Empowerment enhances motivation through autonomy. Decision-making authority is crucial for engagement. Open communication fosters trust and motivation. Empowered employees perform at their best. This is essential in healthcare environments. Rewards and recognition are traditional motivators. Compensation and benefits must align with value. Praise and awards appreciate contributions. Fair rewards enhance motivation and performance. They are integral in healthcare settings. In conclusion, we have learned that implementing these strategies fosters a motivated and productive workforce. Should you have any questions, you're welcome to message us on WhatsApp at 07-48436-1688. See you at the next session. Thank you for your time.